Hi boys and girls, let's get ready for our phonemic awareness lesson. Today we're going to start out with rhymes, so I'm going to tell you a word and I want you to think of as many words that rhyme with that word as possible, okay? Our word for today is beak. We're looking for the eek sound. Good. Some rhyming words would be seek, cheek, leak, and weak. Good. All right, next we're going to be working on our onset fluency. Remember, onset is that first sound you hear in a word. So I'm going to tell you a word like icicle. I want you to repeat the word back to me, icicle, and then I want you to tell me that first sound you hear, I. Okay? So our first word is odor. Good. O. Next word, locate. L. Good. Next word, athlete. Ah. Good. Next word, pilot. P. Good. Next word, effort. Eh. Good. Last word, reptile. R. Good. Hi boys and girls. Next we're going to be working on blending phonemes. So I'm going to say the sounds. We're going to use our choppers, and I want you to blend the word together. So for example, our first word, k, e, p. You're going to say keep. Good. So first word, l, u, m. Loom. Good. Next word, t, I, d. Tide. Good. Next word, d, a, b. Dab. Good. Next word, r, o, t. Wrote. Good. Next word, k, ace. Case. Good. Next word, b, ig. Big. Good. Next word, m, eel. Meal. Good. Next word, t, oob. Good. Tube. Next word, v, I, n. Vine. Good. Last word, p, f. Puff. Good. Next we are going to be isolating our medial sounds. So I'm going to say a word. Remember, we're going to use a roller coaster. So when we get to the top, it's that first sound. The bottom is that middle sound. The top again is that last sound. And I want you to tell me the middle sound that you hear. So for first word is these. These. The, e, s. These. And the middle sound would be E. Okay, that was our example. All right, our first word, real. R, E, L. E. Good. Next word, same. S, A, M. A. Good. Next word, lock. L, A, K. Ah. Good. Next word, bite. B, I, t. I. Good. Next word, pan. P, a, n. A. Good. Next word, said. S, e, d. E. Good. Next word, or last word, bone. B, o, n. Oh, good job. All right, boys and girls, this time we're going to be segmenting our phonemes. So I'm going to tell you a word, and again, we're going to use our choppers this time, sorry. I'm going to tell you a word, and you're going to chop the phonemes, okay? So the first, for example, our word real. Good. R, E, L. Good. All right, our first word, rope. Good. R, O, P. Rope. Next, fig. Good. Fig. Fig. Next word, beat. Good. B, eat. Beat. Next word, guess. Good. G, s. Guess. Next word, tuck. Good. T, k. Tuck. Next word, white. Good. T, k. T, k. Next word, white. Good. T, k. T, k. Next word, tuck. Good. T, k. T, k. Next word, tuck. Good. T, k. T, k. Next word, tuck. Good. T, k. T, k. Next word, white. Good. White. White. Next word, pace. Good. Ace. Pace. Next word, ham. Good. Ham. Ham. Next word, roll. Good. Roll. Roll. Last word, loon. Good. Loon. Loon. Awesome. All right, boys and girls, next we're going to be adding phonemes to the beginning of our word. So I'm going to tell you a rhyme, and then I'm going to tell you what sound I want you to add, and then we're going to mix it together, okay? So our first word, aisle, is our rhyme. I want you to add to the beginning. What's our new word? File. Good. Next, and I want you to add s to the beginning. What's our new word? Sun. Good. Next, in, and I want you to add t to the beginning. What's our new word? Tin. Good. Next, eel, I want you to add h to the beginning. What's our new word? Heel. Good. Next, ave, I want you to add p to the beginning. What's our new word? Pave. Good job. All right, boys and girls, this time we're going to be deleting phonemes. So I'm going to tell you a word, and I want you to take away a phoneme, and we're going to see what's left, okay? So the first word is main. I want you to take away the m. What's left? Ain. Good. Next word, keep, without the k. What's left? Eep. Good. Next word is bell, without the b. What's left? L. Good. Next word is nut, without the n. Ut. Good. Last word is soak, without the s. Oak. Awesome. All right, boys and girls, our last thing today is substituting initial phonemes. So I'm going to tell you a word, I'm going to take away a sound, and we're going to change it to a new sound, and we're going to put our word together again, okay? When I tell you the word, I want you to repeat the word back to me. So our first word is vote. Good. I want you to change the v to a k. What's our new word? Coat. Good. This time our word is keep. I want you to change the k to a j. What's our new word? Jeep. Awesome. This time the word is wise. I want you to change the w to a r. What's our new word? Rise. Good. This time our word is case. I want you to change the k to a b. What's our new word? Base. Good. And our last word is look. I want you to change the l to a t. What's our new word? Took. Good job, boys and girls.